Want to unlock the secret to consistently catching redfish? Today, we're diving deep into the world of grub lures, your ticket to redfish success, regardless of your experience level. First, let's talk tackle. You'll want a medium action spinning rod, around 7 feet long, paired with a 2,500 or 3,000 size reel spooled with 10 to 15 pounds braided line. Next, terminal tackle is key. I recommend a 1/8 to 1/4 ounce jig head, depending on the depth and current. Tie it on with a Palomar knot for maximum strength. Now, select your grub. Paddle tail grubs in natural colors like root beer, new penny, or even white are excellent starting points. Consider a brighter color like chartreuse in murky water. When it comes to presentation, cast your grub lure toward structure like mangrove shorelines, oyster beds, or grass flats. Let the grub sink for a few seconds, then begin a slow, steady retrieve, occasionally twitching the rod tip to impart action. Vary your retrieve until you find what the redfish are responding to. Be patient, feel for the bite, and when you feel that telltale thump, set the hook hard. Remember to always practice catch and release to help conserve these amazing fish for future generations. So grab your grubs, hit the water, and get ready to experience some serious redfish action. Don't forget to subscribe for more redfish tips.